The Apollo program marks one of the most significant chapters in human history, demonstrating our potential to transcend terrestrial boundaries and reach towards the stars. It was an endeavor that showcased our collective ambition, a testament to our insatiable curiosity, and a symbol of our capacity to push beyond the confines of our world. Born out of competition during the height of the Cold War, the Apollo program was NASA's ambitious response to the challenge of winning the space race against the Soviet Union. It spanned over a decade, from 1961 to 1972, and was propelled by a mission much bigger than geopolitical rivalry. It was about advancing space technology and expanding human knowledge. From the tragic fire of Apollo 1 to the triumphant lunar landing of Apollo 11, each mission was a stepping stone, a lesson learned, a dream realized. The Apollo program was not just about landing on the moon, it was about pushing the limits of what humanity thought was possible. The journey of Apollo was not smooth sailing from the start. It was a journey that began with a tragedy. Apollo 1, slated to be the first manned mission of NASA's Apollo program, ended in a catastrophic cabin fire during a pre-flight test. This unfortunate event shook the world, but it also led to a complete overhaul of safety measures in NASA missions. Out of the ashes of Apollo 1 emerged Apollo 7, the first successful manned mission of the program. The crew had the task of testing the Command Service Module in Earth's orbit, a critical step in the journey towards the moon. Then came Apollo 8, a mission that captured the imagination of millions. It was the first manned spacecraft to orbit the moon and return back to Earth, paving the way for future lunar exploration. These early missions laid the groundwork for what was to come, a man setting foot on the moon. With the stage set by the initial missions, it was time for the crowning achievement of the Apollo program, the moon landing. In Apollo 11, history was made. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left their footprints on the lunar surface, marking humanity's first steps on another world. Armstrong's words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," encapsulated the monumental significance of this mission. The precision of Apollo 12's landing was the next marvel. It demonstrated the ability to land with pinpoint accuracy near the Surveyor 3 probe. It also brought us the first color TV transmission from the moon, offering a vibrant new perspective on our lunar neighbor. The near disaster of Apollo 13 showcased the resilience and resourcefulness of both astronauts and the ground team. An oxygen tank explosion almost ended in tragedy, but the crew's successful and dramatic return to Earth underscored the value of quick thinking and meticulous preparation. Apollo 14 was a testament to scientific achievement. Alan Shepard's moonwalk and golf shot, though iconic, were just the tip of the iceberg. Extensive scientific experiments and lunar exploration further expanded our knowledge of the moon. The introduction of the lunar roving vehicle during Apollo 15 allowed for longer and more extensive lunar explorations, opening up new frontiers for study and discovery. In Apollo 16, the exploration of the lunar highlands by John Young and Charles Duke offered detailed geological and scientific work, deepening our understanding of the moon's terrain and composition. Finally, Apollo 17, the last manned mission to the moon, had geologist Harrison Schmitt on board. As the first scientist on the moon, his expertise brought a new dimension to lunar exploration. Each mission brought with it its own set of challenges and triumphs, contributing to our understanding of our celestial neighbor. The Apollo program's legacy extends far beyond the footprints left on the lunar surface. This remarkable venture saw numerous scientific and technological advancements, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. The Apollo missions not only successfully landed 12 astronauts on the moon, but they also pioneered new technologies in navigation, telecommunications, and computing. From the development of the Saturn V rocket, the most powerful machine ever built, to the lunar module, each mission contributed to a wealth of knowledge about the moon's geology, atmosphere, and potential resources. The program's impact on space exploration has been profound, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. Our understanding of the moon has been greatly enriched, and the images and data collected continue to be studied and appreciated. The Apollo program stands as a testament to human endeavor and exploration, reminding us of what we can achieve when we dare to dream.